victorious. Okay, your final question is, as a babayeng Negrosanon, what does Avance Negrense mean to you?
To me, Avance Negrense means a woman living her purpose. And I am standing here tonight as a beauty queen and as a future veterinarian. Because I always believe that beauty pageants is not just about women, but also for the animal industry that is seldomly heard. And I am very passionate with working with animals, our livestock races, and our farmers. Because I truly believe that Avance Negrense, it's not just for people. Because kindness, love, and respect should not only be limited to one species. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Avance Negrense is more than just a program. It is a movement. It reminds us Negrosanons to keep on moving forward. And with that,